The Nigerian Cancer Society (NCS) and the Nigerian Medical Association (NMA), in collaboration with Mandate Health Empowerment Initiative (MHEI), have underscored the need for awareness creation towards prevention of cancer. Dr. Adamu Umar, president of NCS, said this at the 2022 World Cancer Day News Conference in Abuja. The theme of the event, organized by NCS, NMA and MHEI, an NGO, is Close the Care Gap, Cancer and Mental Health. According to Umar, the aim of this year's theme is to foster understanding and recognition of the inequities in cancer care around the globe. Umar noted that cancer had become the second leading cause of death worldwide.
This year of the Close the Care Gap campaign is all about understanding and recognizing the inequities in cancer care around the globe. It is about having an open mind, challenging assumptions and looking at the hard facts. Inequity in cancer care costs a lot of lives. People who seek cancer care are hit by barriers at every turn. Income, level of education, location, and discrimination and assumptions based on ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, age, disability, and lifestyle are just a few of the factors that can negatively affect care. The gap affects everyone, including me, you, and our loved ones. These barriers are not set in stone. They can be changed. It has gone to show that commitment in closing the care gap in terms of providing health infrastructure, manpower, availability of healthcare facilities will go a long way in closing the care gaps that we have. Genetic mutations play a role also in the causation of cancer, about 5 to 10%. Up to 3.7 million lives could be saved each year by implementing resource-appropriate strategies for prevention, early detection, and treatment.
In the same vein, Mr. Ahmed Zion, President Mandate Health Empowerment Initiative, emphasized the importance of mental health to human lives. Zion urged Nigerians to consider themselves as critical stakeholders to close the gap in the efforts to build a mentally healthy society with cancer prevention and treatments optimally prioritized.
Mental health is an integral and essential component of health. Mental health is clearly stated to be where an individual is able to realize his potential, his ability, and is able to cope with daily stress and remain productive and has the ability to contribute immensely to his community. Mental health is fundamental to our collective and individual ability as humans to think, to emule, to interact with each other, to earn a living, and to enjoy life. The discussion of mental health and the need for mental health reforms and focus on positive change made by the Mandate Health Empowerment Initiative alongside with our partners, the Federal Ministry of Health, APN, CBN, WHO Nigeria, Johnson & Johnson Nigeria, and other critical stakeholders cannot be overemphasized, especially given to the current realities that this nation is facing today.
In his remarks, Dr. Bawa Ahmed, a consultant pathologist in the University of Abuja, highlighted ways to prevent cancer. World Cancer Day is commemorated on the 4th of February annually and is the global initiative led by the Union for International Cancer Control.
Regular exercise. At least a minute or 30 minutes. Do something to exercise your body. As I'm talking today, most of the NGOs have incorporated, walk in the morning as part of it. We should have a healthy weight. What do you mean by healthy weight? Let's check our body mass index. If you are tall and you have moderate weight, your BMI will be okay. But some of us that are short and we are growing, bigger and bigger, let's be very careful. So maintaining a healthy weight is one of the ways we can always check for cancer. No smoking, no smoking, no smoking. These have been emphasized and emphasized because smoke affects everywhere it passes through, from the mouth up to the bladder, up to the where it is being secreted. If you check up all organ cancers, smoke is always mentioned. And when we mean smoking here, we're just talking of active and passive. Active are those that smoke. Passive are those that enclose ourselves in a nightclub and they are just smoking and you are inhaling. In fact, the active one even brings his one out. You that you are just inhaling, take your one in.